is divisible by 3. Write the smallest digit and largest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then whole number will be also divisible by 3. Now here A portion dash blank place. This is a blank place. And digit 6, 7, 2, 4. 6, 7, 2, 4. So here the sum of digits blank plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Listen students, here 7 to 9. 7 to 9, 9, 4, 13, 13 और 6, 19. 19, अब 19 हमारे पास सम है and what minimum number, what should be minimum number, then 19 plus. So 19 plus 19 plus यहाँ here 2, that is equal to 21. If we add 2 in 19, then it becomes 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. So the minimum number is equal to 2. Here if we take 2, that is equal to 21. Again maximum number 21, and here put even maximum number, put here 8. If 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 equal to, here 19 plus 8 equal to 27. 19 plus 8 equal to 27. So maximum number is equal to 8. ब्लैंक प्लेस है, ब्लैंक प्लेस पर कम से कम मिनिमम 2 रखा जाए. It becomes the sum of the digit is 21. And maximum number here 8. If we put in the place of blank place 8, the sum is 27. So minimum number is 2 and maximum number is 3. Okay, and maximum number is 8. Now again is the A part, portion B. Listen carefully. Here 4, 7, 6, 5. 4, 7, 6, 5 dash 2. Now students, here first 4 plus sum of the digit. Sum of digits 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus a blank place plus 2 is equal to. Listen students, sum is if we put this, the number is here 4, 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 is 24. The sum is 24. The minimum number 24 is also divisible by 3 because 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So minimum number B is equal to 0. Put 0 here. Get 24 is divisible by 3. And the maximum number become is equal to a maximum number or क्या ले, तो maximum number is we put here maximum number is 9. So 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to here 33. 33 is divisible by 3. Now students, one query. Master Here a few students admit all. Now students, listen here. This is the first question. Here is the number and the first here this digit is blank place blank, and here the second digit is blank place. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth place is blank. In this question, second place is blank. So sum of digit. We know that the divisibility test of 3 is if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then it becomes a divisible by 3. Put here minimum number 2 and maximum number 8. So the sum of the digit is 21 and the maximum number put here, the digit is 27. In this number, the minimum number is 0 because sum of the remaining digit is 24. So minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 9. Maximum number is 9 because a 9 is a one digit, largest one digit number. So the sum is 33. Okay. One query, Master Rahul Sharma. Ask your question, beta. Rahul Sharma. Yes.
सर ये आपने सर क्वेश्चन 3 और 4 आपने सर होमवर्क में दिए थे.
क्वेश्चन 3 एंड
4.
क्वेश्चन 3 4 यस. ये बेटा 3 थर्ड मैंने कल कराया था और ये 4 नंबर भी मैंने बताया था. इवन प्लेस और ऑड प्लेस का डिफरेंस is divisible by 11, then it becomes divisible by 11.
ओके सर.
हाँ. Now students, question number 6. Question number 6. The first part, A, 92 blank place and 389. 389. Here, odd place, sum of digit odd place. Sum of digit odd place. That is equal to 9 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 3 plus 2. Odd place here in this number 9 to right place, first 9, then 3 and then 2. That is equal to odd place is 14. And sum of digit even place. Even place is 8 plus blank plus here blank plus blank plus 9. That is equal to here 9 and 8. 9 and 8. 9 and 8 is equal to 17. 17 difference between 14 and 17 is 14 and 17 is 3. So if we add put here 8. 8 8 16 16 or plus 9. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So difference is equal to 25 minus 14 equal to 11. 8 is divisible by 11. Listen students, here the odd place 9 3 2 14 है. Sum of even places 8 plus blank place and 9. So 8 9 जो हमारे पास मिलेगा 17 17 and 14. The difference of 14 not divisible by 11. So put here a number 8. 8 put here, then sum is 25. If we subtract 14 from 25 is equal to 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Okay, students. Two query. Master Rushil Sharma ask your question, beta. Rushil Sharma. रुशील शर्मा
सर वो गलती से हो गया।
अच्छा गलती से हो
सर
गया।
वो गलती से हो गया था।
आयुष पांडे मास्टर आयुष पांडे
सर
यस बेटा।
सर ये जो आप लिखा रहे हैं
हाँ
सर इसको ग्रुप पे भेज दीजिएगा।
ये कहने की बात है बेटा, भेजता नहीं ग्रुप में। ये पूरी वीडियो आपके ग्रुप में जाती है बेटा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
एंड हर्ष कुमार मास्टर हर्ष कुमार आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? No. Now the next is B portion. B, here the number is 8 and blank place. This is blank place and 9484. 9484. The sum of digit odd places. Odd places here, the 4 plus 4 plus blank plus that is the 1, 2 and 3. 3 odd place and sum of digits even places here 8 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to, so 8 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 24. Here 24 and now here 448 yes 4 plus 4 8. If put here a blank place, that is a 6, it become a 14. Put here 6, it become a 14. So their difference here is 8 here 25 and the difference is equal to 25 minus 14 is equal to 11. So it is divisible by 11. So students, here divisible by 11. We know that the divisibility of 11 is if the sum of odd digit places plus and sum of even digit places, the difference of these two numbers become is divisible by 11, then whole number will be divisible by 11. So put here 6, then it will become divisible by 11. Put here 8, it will be divisible by 11. This is the divisibility test of 11. Now students, next here next topic is a common multiples, the co-prime number. Co-prime numbers के बारे में हम अभी इसके बारे में देखेंगे. तो here co-prime numbers. What is a co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as a common factor. Two numbers two numbers having only one as a common having v common factor are called co-prime number. If two numbers have only one common factor, so the number are called co-prime number. For example, 4 and 15. 4 and 15, because both have only one as a common factor. Only one as a common factor. केवल one ही common factor है. Here one query master Ayush Pandey. Ask your question बेटा. Ayush Pandey.
सर वो गलती से हो गया था.
Hands down कर लिया. हर्ष कुमार, ask your question. हर्ष कुमार.
सर ये मतलब प्राइम नंबर, कॉमन प्राइम नंबर मतलब एक बार और समझा सकते हैं सर आप?
प्राइम नंबर, they are not a prime number. If two number have only one as a common factor, दो नंबर के बीच में केवल एक जो है one common factor है, so this number is called these number are called a co-prime number. And Rudra Karki, ask your question.
सर मेरा भी यही था, समझ आ गया सर.
And Dhruv, Master Dhruv.
यस सर. सर एग्जांपल में आपने 4 एंड उसके बाद क्या लिखा है?
15.
ओके सर.
Now students, here next exercise पर हम थोड़ी चर्चा करेंगे जहां पे कॉमन फैक्टर को हम अभी देखेंगे. Here next exercise 3.4. So next exercise 3.4. Listen students, question number 1. This question is very important. Find the common factor. Find the common factor. In question number 4 there are 4 parts. मैं केवल इसमें से 2 पार्ट सॉल्व करूंगा, 2 पार्ट आपका होमवर्क होगा. And the now first part A. First part A is 20 and 28. 20 and 28. Listen students, factor of 20. Factors of 20 is equal to first 1, next 2, next 4, next 5, next 5, next 10, and next 20. And factor of 28, that is equal to 1, 2, here 4, 28, 4, 7, 7 is a one factor, 14 is a one factor, and 28 is a one factor. Listen students, the factor of 20 are given and factor of 28 are given. So common factor is common factors is equal to common factor. Here first factor common, that is 1. Second is 2. Third is 4. And no more common factor, only 3 factor are common. Is that clear? Any query, Harsh Kumar? Harsh Kumar,
Sir, no.
any query?
No sir.
Now, so B portion is your homework, and Next, portion C. C. Here, 35 and 50. 35 and 50. Factors of 35 is equal to, first factor of 35 is 1, second factor is 5, and next is 7, and next is 35, and factors of 50 equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10 and 25 and 50. Now common factors is equal to 1, 5. 1, 5 is the common factor of these two numbers 35 and 50. Is that clear? Now students, this is the first question. Next one is question number 2. Question number 2. Listen, find the common factor of. Here a same question, but question number 1 have 2 number and question number 2 have 3 number. First number is 4, 8 and 12. So factor of 4 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 8 equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. And factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now common factors equal to here 1, 2. 2 is a common factor and 4 is also a common factor. These 3 factors are common. Is that clear? Any query? No. The second portion B. B is your homework. B है 5, 15 and 25. This is homework. This number is homework. Next one is question number 3. Okay. Put sellotape on your mouth. Listen. Question number 3. Here students, find the first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. A portion is 6 and 8. So multiple of 8. How many multiple? First 3 common multiples. तो हम multiples को find करेंगे. A portion here multiple of 6 is equal to, listen students, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and here यहाँ पे 42, 48 as so on, and multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. 8 here as so on. Listen students, the common multiple of 6 and here no common, there 48, then 56 maximum number बढ़ा लेते हैं, here 48, 56, 64, 72 as so on, and here 56 and 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. The first common multiple is 24. Here this is 24, 24. Common multiple of 6 and 8. First multiple 24. And second is 48. This is 48. This is 48. 48. And here 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. And third multiple, we have to find first three multiple. This is the 72 and also 72. This is 72. These are three multiple which is common between 6 and 8. So students, here this is the common multiple, and B portion, this is A portion and B portion is here 12 and 18. 12 and 18 is your homework. Listen students, there are two parts. First part is classwork and second part is your homework. Master Ayush Pandey. Ayush Pandey, ask your question.
सर
Yes.
सर ये जो आप अभी बी वाला होमवर्क दिए हैं क्वेश्चन 3 का, सर उसमें पहले क्या लिखे हैं?
पहले क्या लिखे? 12 लिखे। 12 and 18.
यहाँ से सर देखना।
ओके
सर के लग रहा था के।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, ये 12 हो गया। ओके
सर ये होमवर्क है?
हाँ, यस, दिस नंबर इज होमवर्क।
ओके
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now students, master Harsh Kumar, any query?
सब ब्रेक ले लें?
ब्रेक ले ले। अच्छा,
सर हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है।
अरे ओके चलो ब्रेक लेते हैं। चलिए तो आज थोड़ी सी हम और आपसे डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन में जो आज हमने बताया। Here in this exercise, first common multiple, common factor से related पहला question number 1, 20 and 28. The common factor is 1, 2 and 4. And next one, yes, this question is homework. And next is second question, common factor if three numbers are given 4, 8, 12. So common factor is 1, 2, 4. And next one is common multiple. Multiple means a number multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as so on. Okay? So if the numbers are common, there's the first number 24 is a common, 48 is common, 72 is a common. So we have to find the first three multiples. The first three multiple of 6 and 8 is 24, 48, 72. These three numbers are common multiple. These three numbers are common multiples, and we have to find common multiple, three common multiple of 12 and 18. So this question is your homework. So students, time is over. 1 minute left. Now students, any query? Any query, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you, students.
सर एक क्वेश्चन और लिखा दो
सर 5 मिनट्स रह गए हैं सर।
सर नो।
मिनट तक एक क्वेश्चन और लिखा दो
Yes,
सर
sir.
5 मिनट्स हो गए हैं।
नो।
5 मिनट बचे हैं सर।
Okay, okay, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Listen, do your homework and
हो गया।